Hi, everyone. So, Earth systems interactions. We've spent some time defining what a system is, right? It's a collection of interconnected parts all in the same space. So, we're talking about our Earth as a system that comprises four different spheres. Environmental science really focuses on interactions between the spheres. And so when we talk about the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, the biosphere, and the atmosphere, they're so closely connected that a change in one sphere often causes a change in another sphere. Sometimes they're really obvious, sometimes not so much obvious. So any changes that occur in the Earth system as a result of interactions, those are referred to as events. So you can see in this diagram right here, where we've got hydro, atmo, bio, and litho, with events in the center. And look at all the arrows. So this really shows us how complex the Earth system is. And we can take a look at any event that occurs naturally, like a hurricane. Hurricane Sally just made landfall down around the Alabama-Mississippi border. I don't have the most up-to-date information on it. But if you look at a natural event like a hurricane or an earthquake or a volcano erupting, those are things that are going to cause consequences in the Earth system naturally. But we can also look at human-caused events such as an oil spill, factories, air and water pollution, generating trash. Lots of human activity causes events in the Earth system. So the idea with an event is an event can cause changes to occur in one or more of the spheres, and events can be the effect of changes. So if we look at something like climate change causes effects in all of the spheres. So I also like this diagram, which again shows us the unique features of each of the spheres, okay? But really having a good understanding of how environmental scientists have to study the effects of events in one sphere on another sphere. So what this page goes on to explain is the effects of volcanic eruptions. So volcanoes are really part of the geo or lithosphere. They're an earth, they're a land formation, but they are going to have a profound effect, direct and indirect, on the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, and the biosphere. So there are some good descriptions right here about how volcanoes release large amounts of carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide in turn is absorbed by vegetation, which could increase, photosynthesis. After a very long period of time, that could form coal and oil deposits. Some of these events are going to have more negative consequence. Some are going to be more positive, and most of them are going to occur over a long period of time. So right down here, we've got some sample Earth sphere events. So there's a list right here. So today, I'll be talking more directly to you about an assignment we're going to have. I'm going to show you the screen right here. It's an Earth sphere interaction assignment. You're going to have an opportunity to select one event. We've got a possible list here. You're going to do a little research on it. We will provide you with some specific questions, and you guys are going to either fill out a template or create a couple of Google Slides to show your understanding of how these events may cause changes in the spheres. We're going to try to think about how sustainability could be a part of this, and we're going to break it down for you, okay? So once again, to just sum up, today we're talking about events that occur in the Earth system that have causes and different effects.